Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to import the source code doc database into your Eclipse. There are several ways you can achieve this. First of all, I want to show you how to import the source code from Git. This is the doc database repository I already created in my Bitbucket. Let me just copy the URI for the Git clone, and then come back to my Eclipse PHP window, select File, Import, Project from Git, clone the URI, next, directory, my username, get doc database. You can use another folder name if you want. Next. It takes some time. Let's see. Okay, finish. Then select this PHP project because this is a PHP project, right? Click next. Project name, you can just call it doc database. Next. Finish. It doesn't matter if you see this error message, just click OK and cancel. Okay, the next step is to import the source code. Right-click this doc database in Project Explorer, and then click this import. This time select General File System. Next, and find the source code you already downloaded and saved somewhere in your laptop. Select the entire folder. Select all. Finish. As you can see, all files in the source code folder have been successfully imported into this doc database. And then you should go to the database window to set the local host. Here you can see there is a connections tab. Right click it, create connection, select MySQL next, server name, localhost, port number 3306. This is actually for MariaDB. Username root. You don't need a password on Windows, but if you are using Macintosh, the password should also be root. And finish. Okay, now you can see we have a localhost tab here on the connections tab. Right click the localhost, select SQL editor, show database. Okay, those are all databases I have now on the localhost. Okay, and now we can go back to PHP window, select team, share project, select the repository, doc database, click finish. And if you go to Git window now, select the doc database, you will see those are the unstashed changed. You could select them all. And write a commit message. Copying from template doc database. And click this commit and push. Now if I go back to the doc database repository on Bitbucket, yeah, you see now I have this set of code. Or you can just import the source code into, for example, the iOS 5.64 for 2020 project. I can just create a folder. Okay. So the folder name is template doc database. And then I can import still from this general file system next. Select all. Finish. Now as you can see, I have all files in the source code imported under this folder. And if you want, you can go to the Git window to push those changes to your online repository. Okay, let's go back to the PHP window. Now, if you, for example, right-click this welcome.php, you can see here is an option called Run as PHP Web Applications. If you click it, okay, there's nothing there because you don't have this set of code on your local host. To view the effect of those PHP files, you need to put this set of code to a local host. How to do this is to first we can right-click this doc database, go to properties, go to the location, and copy this entire folder and pass it to where? To the www directory. This is on Windows. If you are using Macintosh, please refer to Clyde's video to see how to copy your local file to your local host. Okay, be sure you use the same folder name. Now if I right-click Run as PHP Web Application, okay, I have this welcome window. Okay, so show you this login window. It's actually the same thing. Yeah, be sure you have the same folder name, same file name between the local version you have and that version on your local host in that www directory. Okay. Or you can view the sample code on localhost. This is localhost, the project I have now, the doc database. Doc database. Okay, this is a welcome page. The next thing I want to show you is how to use the PHP, HTML, CSS sample code in this HTML and CSS folder. I think I have a copy in my downloads. Okay, this one. So if you have experience in coding in PHP and CSS, you will know that if you open the HTML and CSS file in a web browser, you will actually see the effect of effect of HTML and CSS. But if you do this with a PHP file, you will still see the original source code. You will not see the effect of PHP. What you need to do is to also copy this folder to the www directory, your local host. And then go to localhost. You can see I have a HTML sample folder here. Okay. Now this is the effect of a PHP file. Again, if you are using a Macintosh, please refer to Clyde's video to see how to copy your local files, local folder to your www directory to your local host. That's all for this video.